Oh, you're right there, little buddy. Let's have a look. You got some ticks. How do you get ticks in winter? You've never had ticks over. Look, there's one there. And we got another one there. So we're going to get them out. You've been a very good boy. Very good. Sweet little cheeks. Bless him. Right. I know. Is he annoying you? Good boy, we got him. Right, let's squash him on the floor so he doesn't do any more. And we got one more here. Little squeak, little face. And then you, sir. Back to being. You get a little bit more under this one. Good boy, Oliver. He knows we're helping him. There we go. He's out. And we'll squish him on the floor. And then look, we'll give you a little eye clean. Come on. A little eye booger. You're 100% beautiful. Very trusting. There we go. Ah, look at that little crumpet face. Boop. There you go, mate. There you go. Right, you want to settle down for some love?